Have you ever wondered how your designs translate into the manufacturing process? Welcome to the world of design for manufacturer reviews, or DFM reviews. Today, we'll explore the role of DFM in custom Auger component manufacturing and how it bridges the gap between design and production. The DFM review process begins by separating customer design authority from manufacturing input. This separation is vital. It reduces the risk of rework and disputes during production. But why are DFM and product design so often confused? A customer drawing defines the intended function. However, it may not fully address manufacturing capabilities. A DFM review asks critical questions. Can the specified geometry, materials, and tolerances be produced consistently? Can the critical features be inspected and repeated in production? Ultimately, this process helps ensure that the final product meets every specified requirement. Let's break down the key concepts. Product design defines what the component must achieve. Manufacturing execution defines how those requirements can be produced, inspected, and repeated. If production features are missing or difficult to access, that is a risk factor, not an automatic invitation to change the design. The customer typically controls geometry, functional performance, and installation conditions. But when responsibilities are unclear, accountability for design changes and performance issues can also become unclear. That is why a controlled DFM record is essential. It documents issues, proposed changes, decisions, and approvals. So, what does a comprehensive DFM review cover? First, it addresses drawing clarity and critical dimensions. The review can identify revision conflicts, missing information, or ambiguous specifications. It ensures that the drawing contains clear, measurable details to support a smooth manufacturing process. Next, the review considers manufacturability and feature access. Manufacturer input can improve access to critical areas, reduce machining risks, and support repeatable production at higher volumes. Another essential part of DFM is inspection and acceptance. A clear agreement on how critical features will be measured helps ensure that expectations are aligned. If a tolerance cannot be checked, that may indicate incomplete control over the production process. Importantly, DFM feedback is not a substitute for engineering decisions about load classification or drilling strategies. Those decisions require authoritative customer input and field knowledge. Any adjustment must be documented and approved before production release. This protects the integrity of the design and the manufacturing process. A DFM review usually follows several stages or gates. Gate 1 covers drawing reception, including revisions, missing information, and open questions. Gate 2 focuses on critical features, such as thicknesses and installation surfaces. Later gates assess materials, inspection methods, and final production release approval. Why is a gated approach better than informal comments? Because it makes the engineering dialogue transparent before materials are committed. It keeps all parties informed and clearly separates open questions from approved modifications. DFM also helps minimize waste and unnecessary production loops. That contributes to sustainability by reducing material usage, avoiding repeated work, and improving process efficiency. In this way, environmental efficiency becomes directly connected to mindful manufacturing. Through DFM, Y&J Industries stands out as a supplier committed to producing custom components from customer drawings or samples. The goal is clear: support manufacturability, define inspection requirements, and create a reliable path to production. This cooperative process builds a productive relationship where customer needs meet manufacturing excellence. As we wrap up, remember that an optimized DFM process creates a clear handoff between design and manufacturing. For custom Auger where parts, early review helps clarify expectations before production begins. Ready to take your manufacturing process to the next level? Consider implementing a structured DFM review and explore the latest resources for improving your production workflow. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more insights into better manufacturing practices.